welcome back to the channel. Ava here, and today it is Wednesday, and the update's here. Oh, okay. I'm way too excited for this. But this cat, look at him. Look at this little guy. And he has a little quest for us. Me, myself, I'm not going to buy one yet. Because one, I'm too poor. So, today I'm just gonna be doing this little quest with him. Oh, it's a cute little one. Look at it. Oh. Right. I'm riding Misty today because, yes, I'm wearing my clippy. I'll swap horses later. A red tabby cat approaches you. She meows heartbreakingly and looks lost and a little scared. Aww. There's something tied around her neck. You should inspect it closer. Okay, I'm gonna go pet it. Oh. Why are we doing that? Why aren't we actually petting it? Upon closer inspection, you find a little note attached to the cat's collar. It read, "My name is Dory. Return me to Fort Pinter so my owner didn't worry." What? Needn't worry. Okay. The note was pretty clear. Time to return little Dory to her owner in Fort Pinter. Right, come on. Oh my gosh, can I put it in my saddlebag? No. Right, let's go. So, you know what? Let's take the trail. Actually, no, let's run. Let's be nice. Wait, I have a marshmallow. I have a marshmallow. I am going to eat marshmallow. Marshmallow, good. Okay, that's good. So let's run there because, let's look at the beautiful scenery of Jorvik. Can I teleport? No, probably not. I hate the music when you go over here. Like, why is it so evil? Food. Munch, munch. Right. Run. Oh. Oh. What did I just see? I'm guessing it's at the new pet shop since this is where everybody is. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh, look. Oh. Oh. I can't believe he found her. Wow, that's a nice picture. Oh, my little Dory, I missed you so much. Thank you so much for finding her. As for you, meep. Don't think for a moment I'll ever let you out of my sight again, you little sneak. Oh, how could you resist that? Haha, as if I could ever stay mad at you. Look at that face. Don't you think she's just the cutest? She is, look at that face. I'm more of a dog person, really. I am more of a dog person, though, in real life. But she's super cute. Right, she's the prettiest. Oh, all of them are meow. Oh. No, you're all the prettiest and loveliest, and I love you all equally. Ha, cats. Have you ever thought of adopting one yourself? The pet shop girls just got a whole bunch of new lovely cats this morning. They're waiting for a lovely someone to adopt and give them forever homes. I would adopt them all myself if I could. Maybe just one more. Mew. Oh, right, I'm going in. Oh, there's one there. Oh, no. Oh, Guys, the black cats are cloned. And so are the ginger ones. Why? Just as I thought they'd improved. Right, let's go shopping. Where are all the rest of the pets? Star Stable. What have you done with the pets? I'm serious. Where have the dogs from? Gone. Oh, there's 3 pages. They're still there. Oh, there's a bunny here. That's cloned. Okay, then that's super cute. Right. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.